For our last problem, we want to find the quadratic equation whose graph passes through these 3 points. And we are given the standard form of the equation. This problem actually looks a lot like the last one we did. Our goal is to find A, B, and C. Now, the first thing we know is that it goes to the point 0, 0. So I'm going to plug that in. 0 equals A times 0 squared plus B times 0 plus C. And lucky for us, this is easy to simplify. We end up with 0 equals C. So good news, we know what C is. All right, so now what we're going to do is plug in the next point, 3, negative 3. Okay, we're going to go back to this and plug it in. So y is negative 3. We don't know a, but x is 3 squared. Plus, we don't know b, but we do know that x is 3. And we already decided that c was 0, so just let that be. All right, so that gives us 9a plus 3b. There's nothing else we can do with that, so we'll come back to it. And then the third equation point we know is this one, so we're going to plug that in. Oh, I was going to star that so I could come back to it. All right, so we're going to plug this in. Y is 0. We don't know what a is, but x is 6. We don't know what b is, but x is 6. And of course, we know that c is 0. We already decided that. So we get 0 equals 36a plus 6b. All right, now we have these two starred equations. We're going to put those together. Negative 3 equals 9a plus 3b. And 0 equals 36a plus 6b. I'd like to use elimination on that, so I think I'm going to multiply this equation by negative 2. So that gives me 6 equals negative 18a minus 6b. Second equation I am not going to change. And we can use elimination here. So this gives us 18a equals 6. So it looks like a is 1/3. So now we know a. We know C, so all we need to do now is find B. So we're going to go back to one of these starred equations. I'm going to pick this one. Let's see, where can I squeeze this in? Try over here. So we have 0 equals 36 times 1/3 plus 6b. So 0 equals 12 plus 6b. So it looks like b is negative 2. So come back here, I'll put my final answer over here. I think I can squeeze it in. So our final answer is going to be y equals, we decided that a was 1/3. We decided that b was negative 2. And c is 0. So this is the equation of the parabola whose graph passes through those 3 points.